Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to share with you 30 amazing foods that you can eat to reduce your belly fat faster. Most of those foods are easily affordable and available everywhere. Along with the food names, I will tell you the reasons and many facts behind why you should consume that particular food. Knowing the reason will help you to choose your diet better. Number 1. Eggs. Forget counting calories on your quest to fight fat and shift your focus onto protein instead. Since muscle steals the fat cells around your abdominals to burn for energy, maintaining those gains is a great way to score washboard abs. Just one large egg contains about 78 calories and a solid 6 grams of protein. 2. Cottage cheese. Tired of plain old chicken breast? Low-calorie cottage cheese is a dietary superstar when it comes to adding a hefty dose of protein to your diet. It is also considered a complete protein since it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to function properly. So you can totally spoon the cheesy goodness on its own. 3. Oatmeal. Oats contain a type of hard to find soluble fiber called beta-glucans, which forms a gel in your small intestine, lowering blood cholesterol levels, boosting the immune system, increasing satiety and regulating blood glucose levels. When you feel fuller for longer, there is a less of an opportunity to gorge on unhealthy snacks or extra calories that could make you put on belly fat. 4. Lentils. Lentils are one of the most affordable plant protein sources out there that also work to reduce inflammation, lower cholesterol, promote fat metabolism, and quell that appetite. Because lentils are resistant starch, their slow digesting fiber triggers the release of acetate, a molecule in the gut that signals the brain to put the fork down. 5. Dark chocolate. Good news for chocoholics. You can now bite into another square without guilt. A research has found that eating moderate amounts of dark chocolate can reduce overall body fat and shrink your waistline thanks to the desert's heart healthy and anti-inflammatory flavors. Apple. One of the juiciest choices of all is the plethora of apple species we can find at the local grocery store. Whether you go for the Granny Smith or always pick the pink lady apples, this crunchy fruit has been proven to trim excess fat. Just don't forget to bite into one with the skin on. Apple peels contain a compound called oxalic acid which can increase muscle mass and brown fat, the good kind of fat that helps melt your midsection. Sweet potatoes. Carotenoids stabilize blood levels and insulin resistance. These are generously present in sweet potatoes. For a quick and easy side or snack, pop a whole tater into the oven and bake on high until soft and enjoy alongside your dinner or on its own. 8. Bananas. When you skim out on sleep, your body produces more ghrelin, the hunger hormone encouraging you to eat more the next day. Stay on track with your weight loss goals by nosing on nanos. Not only do their muscle relaxing minerals like potassium and magnesium lullaby your body into sleeping mode, these fruits can also help you look and feel thinner. One anaerobe study found that women who ate a banana twice a daily before meals for 2 months reduced their bloat by 50% thanks to the fruit's de-bloating potassium. Grapes. While grapes contain more sugar than most of our favorite low-carb fruits, they also pack in some unexpected benefits. A study discovered that resveratrol, an antioxidant found in grapes, converted the excess white fat into calorie-burning beach fat, decreasing obesity by 40%. And all you need is just 3 servings of resveratrol a day. Luckily, grapes aren't the only source. Apples and berries contain the fat fighter too. Green tea. Green tea contains powerful catechins that can rev your metabolism. In fact, a study by Japanese researchers found out that participants who consumed 690 milligrams of catechins via green tea daily had lower BMIs and smaller waist measurements than those who did not sip. An Asian Pacific Journal report found out that the average daily intake of catechins in Japanese men and women were 110 and 157 milligrams respectively. So you will have to up your tea game if you are interested in reaping the benefits. Whole grain bread. Whole grains provide a good source of fiber, vitamin B, and may even help regulate blood sugar levels and promote a loss of belly fat. For every grain you choose, make it 100% whole grain. Spinach. The dark green leaves contain a long chain sugar molecule called SQ, which can help your midsection stay trim. According to a study in the journal Nature Chemical Biology, SQ promotes the growth of your good gut bacteria, which prevent bad bacteria from colonizing your gut and causing inflammation. Toss the leafy greens with a handful of walnuts, sliced strawberries, and goat cheese for a satisfying lunch. Beets. This root veggie is a unique source of betaine, an amino acid that increases metabolism, positively influences insulin resistance, boosts your mood, and switches fat genes off that are released by belly fat, according to a review in the journal Nutrients. Avocados. Stop fearing the fat. Creamy avocados are full of monounsaturated fats that dim your appetite and prevent the accumulation of belly fat. Cinnamon. Who knew that zapping fat is as easy as shaking some cinnamon onto your oats? A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that this blood sugar regulating spice helps reduce insulin secretion, preventing sugar from being stored as fat. Not onto oatmeal, try sprinkling that stuff into your late. Salmon. Wild-caught salmon is brimming with omega-3 fatty acids, which are notorious for squashing inflammation and helping you zap unwanted belly fluff. These healthy fats fight inflammation by increasing adiponectin levels, a hormone that boosts metabolism and burns fat. Stock up in this pink fish as it is rich in both EPA and DHA, two active forms of omega-3s. Black pepper. Piperin, a fat-frying compound found in black pepper, has been shown to trigger adipogenesis in human cells and increase fat metabolism in mice, resulting in a decrease in waist size, body fat, and cholesterol levels. Fortunately, for those who have set a goal to ditch the gut, you can sprinkle black pepper on practically anything. Flax seeds. To get the most nutritional bang for your buck, freshly grind your flax seeds right before using them. Just 1 tablespoon has about 2.3 grams of fat-blasting ALA, making it a wholesome oatmeal topper. Flax seeds are also rich in fiber, which can help you lose your gut. By increasing the amount of fiber you eat each day to 30 grams while keeping calories the same, you can lose weight, lower blood pressure, and improve your body's insulin response. Sunflower seeds. Whether you are adding them to your breakfast bowl or nursing on them to beat the 2 p.m. slump, these sunflower seeds are a great way to get in your daily dose of magnesium, a nutrient that helps the body release fat from its. Sunflower seeds and sunbutter are two great belly busters. The type of fat in the seeds have been shown to reduce abdominal fat in women with no other change in diet. Pickles. Pickles are filled with water, vinegar, and fiber and barely any calories. In fact, just 1 cup of the pickled cucumbers pack in 2 grams of fiber for only 16 calories. Not to mention, studies show that acidic foods like vinegar help increase the body's carb burning rate by up to 40%. Once your body burns off carbs, it moves on to torching fat, which can help you finally rock your skinny jeans muffin top free. Blueberries. These bite-sized berries are as mighty as they are tiny. In a study in the Journal of Medicinal Food, blueberries were shown to reduce abdominal fat, triglycerides, and total body weight. A review in the journal Nutrient also noted blueberry consumption is inversely related to obesity. Next time you are making a yogurt perfect, don't forget to toss in some blueberries. Pumpkin seeds. Sneaking peptides into some of your favorite foods is one of the best ways to increase protein intake. Not only do roasted pumpkin seeds contain 8 grams of protein per ounce, they are also packed with fiber, zinc, and potassium, key nutrients needed for muscle building and recovery. Remember, the more muscle you have, the less fat your body will. As well as makes it more difficult to lose the balls. Sprinkling anti-inflammatory turmeric onto your eggs or stirring up a golden milk lilt will help you tighten that tummy. Greek yogurt. Besides for being one of our favorite portable proteins for on-the-go satiety, Greek yogurt is also a great belly fat fighter. According to a recent study presented in the Annual Society for Endocrinology conference, researchers found that when protein is digested and broken down, one of the resulting amino acids, phenylalanine, triggers hormones that help reduce appetite, which can lead to weight loss. Coconut oil. According to a study published in the journal Lipids, participants who supplemented their diet with this oil reduced abdomen. Then participants who consumed inflammatory soybean oil. To what can we chalk off the flatter belly? Experts believe that it is the coconut oil's medium chain triglycerides which are burned as energy instead of being stored as fat, and lauric acid which has been shown to pinpoint belly fat and torch it. Nut and seed trail mix. According to a 2016 Danish study, people who ate a meal rich in plant protein rather than animal protein reported feeling significantly more satiated. Bake a baggie full of frying peanuts, walnuts, and sunflower seeds to munch on if the hunger pangs begin to disturb you in between meals. 30. Plums. These reddish fruits can give your fat genes the red light. How so? Plums contain phenolic compounds which lend the fruit its deep color as well as its ability to fight fat. Plums are also a great source of pectin, a gelatin-like type of fiber which animal studies have found to reduce liver fat or belly fat as we call it and block the amount of fat cells can absorb.